Hey guys, sorry for the weird kind of setup. I'm in the process of moving, so I don't have a desk or anything like I normally do. But today I'm showing you another F2L trick. So this has to do, well, with a certain F2L case obviously, but we're going to base it off of this OLL algorithm, which is R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F, R, F prime. So that's the basis of it. Now, here's today's case where we have the sort of the edge, I mean not the edge, the corners in the right slot and then the edges on the side. This can occur from either the right or the left, and the beginner's method algorithm, you probably know, it goes something like that, and it can be done from the side or the front. So here's from the front, and I did it on the front with the other one as well, but it can be done from the side or the front. However, if you get the algorithm facing something like this, where you have this is for the right side, so the edge is on the right, the left. The edge is on the left, and then the corner is also on the left. You can do that RU, R prime, U prime, R prime, F, R, F prime, but all the R moves should be wide. So this is for if the matching edge to the side is on the left, R, U, R prime, U prime, R, F prime, and you'll see that it put that edge in for us. And this can also be mirrored from the left. Instead, you do wide L moves instead. So there you go. Put the edge in for us. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope that helps with something. Maybe it can be applicable. It probably depends a bit on your grip, because the F moves to do it from the side for that original beginner's method algorithm aren't too bad, but it's definitely not worth the rotation if you're doing it from the front. And it's the same move count for both algorithms, so that should work. Anyway, hope you enjoyed. I'll see you all later. Bye.